What's up guys, it's your boy Cole Bell back with another video, and today I'm showing you guys the day in the life of a DoorDash driver. I have 3 jobs: YouTube, restaurant, DoorDash. Stacking up all the money I can get. There's a bit of an issue because I feel like I have a concussion. I went boxing and I got hit in the temple, and don't worry because at the end of this video there is footage of me getting punched in the face. But first I need to go grab some food, so we're gonna eat before I start my little DoorDash run. Oh, look who's already here. So I got here, Tyler's computer's here. This is where I got hit. Oh, right there, dude. So that little illegal backhand move is the reason that I'm seeing stars and the light hurts my head.
Tyler!
Get back to work, man. I was gonna like film the DoorDash video like I just did the intro for, but I'm gonna postpone it 24 hours. I'll do DoorDash tomorrow.
24 hours later.
The doctor said I did have a concussion and I can't go to school, but we're here DoorDashing with Ella. I had to bring her along on my little adventure because I'm too scared to do all this stuff by myself. But right now there's no orders, so we're driving around in circles. We're wasting gas, and gas is a huge problem with DoorDashers right now.
Big problem.
I don't know why I'm starting DoorDash during the middle of a gas crisis. We made $0 today. Ooh, we just got an order. We're going to Salado. How perfect. It's right there. Oh my God. Ah! I just crossed every single lane. That was so illegal, bro. If this is a crappy video, it's not my fault. It's this dumbass behind the camera.
I literally can't see your face.
You can't? Well, maybe aim it at my face. My beautiful, beautiful face that people love to watch.
Salada. Oh my gosh, I should be a vlogger. What a good Samaritan. Such a good helper, Cole.
Okay, we're gonna confirm the pickup. Where are we gonna go now? Oh my God. It's Zach.
I karate kick you.
Whoa.
You're kidding.
I swear to God. We're delivering Zach's salad.
Good job, Matt.
Now we're going to Panda Express. This one says we're making like $9.25, but we have to go 8 miles away. So we'll see how that goes. Someone over here is in a grouchy mood, but we're gonna pick up the item and drop it off. I'm gonna hand you guys back to Ella for the drop-off cam, since she stays in the car and just records me.
I wanted to get out.
Yes, thank you.
Looks
Right.
so mad.
Yo, Cole and Dimwit, we're going to Roswell now.
Dimwit?
We picked up Jonathan S. We're making $9. Hooray!
$9, yay.
It's an 18-minute drive with traffic. What?
That's so long. Get out of my car.
It's my car. You want to get out in the rain? That's what I thought. Since you're having a little attitude, I'm just going to sit here and record you until you start to act nice. You pouty all you want. Look out the window.
Fine, I'll be happy now.
Ella said she's had about enough of driving in the car with me and my wipers. So I think I'm going to leave her here.
Yeah.
Okay, but we're at the second stop.
I have to sit in the car, wait for him to do all the stuff, because he won't let me get out of the car. He's so controlling, guys. Hi, Cole. Missed you.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't care.
I won't talk to you anymore.
Okay.
Oh, there's a car. That's so embarrassing.
We got the next DoorDash episode. We won't have her sitting right here yelling at you guys. Okay, I've been mean. I'm sorry.
Your stinky hands out of my face.
She said I'm smelly. Kill me.
Threatening me?
You hit me.
Call the cops.
You hit me.
Nope.
All right, Matt, I'll call him first.
Hey, put your hands on the wheel.
All right, we're at Smoothie King. We have to go quick because it'll melt and I'll get a bad review.
I'm in a really bad mood because I haven't eaten today. But once I eat, don't worry, I'll have my energy back.
Yo, Ella, you want a smoothie? There's 2. Stop number 3 and 4. What stop is this? Do you not
3.
know? Ella's getting really pouty behind the camera. We have a 30-minute break. We need to get food and we need to go piss. Now.
Yes. Okay, welcome to part 2 of the video, where we're going to be seeing what's in Cole's car.
No.
An empty pack of gum, and then a half empty pack of gum.
I wonder how that gum's been used.
I only took 1 piece. What?
What?
Some air fresheners. Got some Taco Bell mild sauce.
Oh, that's important.
Taco Bell!
Right,
Yay!
people sleep on Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell.
Next
There's
we
one
have-
right here. You're lucky. Yo.
It's not a DoorDash bag back here because we're DoorDashers now. Right, Cole?
Yep.
Hold this water bottle.
Coldest water bottle. Go buy
Link
coldest
in
water bottle right
description.
now.
What does this do?
What did you just click?
What does this do?
No, the park brake.
What does that do?
Just stop clicking.
Does that reverse the car?
No.
All by itself?
No. She touches too many fucking things.
5 minutes later.
We've been sitting in this drive-thru for 30 minutes. DoorDash is spam texting me like, get back to it. And then she orders her food, the most generic shit ever. And
You're the one that gets sour cream.
sour cream
You
is
smell
good.
like sour cream.
Get out.
No, honestly, you smell like cottage cheese. It's even worse.
That's even worse. Okay, bro. He was standing there while you were showing me video of it. That's not real. What is that? What does it look like that?
We're going to Publix to pee. Let's go.
Bro, and then you guys get a mukbang.
Mukbang.
Of us eating. Oh wait, Ella's
Mukbang.
gonna be like, I can't be seen eating.
Shut up.
Outside.
Wearing Yeezys.
I know you're not talking. I know you're not talking about my
Yes.
Yeezys. What are those?
They're my little brothers.
I hit a lady with the door when I walked in and she screamed, she goes, ah!
We're about to eat good. It's called a mukbangarooski.
Mukbangarooski. Let's go in the Camaro.
My hair is so bad today, guys. I woke up right before I filmed this video.
That's true.
From my
I woke him up.
concussion.
Don't drop off blanket. No.
She already made a mess. Nobody can hate on Taco Bell. Look at this thing.
Taco Bell's so good.
We might have to go back through the drive-thru.
You get some more?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Me too.
I can't post this. I look like such a nag.
Me too. Cheers.
Scratch it, snip it, smell it, and the rest is for me. This hoodie just got out of the wash and is going right back in when I go home.
At home, I have a huge bottle of the fire sauce.
No! They sell big bottles?
Yes.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
I need those. I didn't know that. I'm so nice, she's gonna get this whole sliver. Don't make a mess.
Pretty good. Carter's it's better. It's my bedtime, so I gotta go home. A successful DoorDash day.
Thank God I
Kind
have
of.
more friends that will do DoorDash with me. We're about to get Tyler to do some more DoorDash orders because it's Ella's bedtime. It's 5:57 p.m. She's up past her bedtime actually.
Yeah,
So we gotta drop her off now. We'll see you when Tyler's here. Oh my God, we're going around about. We're back an hour later for another order. This time we got Tyler driving because I feel like an egg. My throat's like all irritated. It's not sore, but it just feels like an egg. And then I have a little bit of a headache, but we're gonna do a few more deliveries since it's like the very best time for DoorDash. From like 6:30 to like 8, it's a really good time. So yeah, right now we're going to Chick-fil-A. Hopefully that I don't get killed with Tyler driving my car.
Come on, let's go.
I see behind your phone screen. I want to get big enough so that nobody will fuck my bitch.
I thought he was gonna karate kick you. Whoa!
What the fuck was that?
Dude, you did like. Oh.
I won. Dan, give him a little bit more tire so I can get him again.
Oh,
Hey, dude,
oh my God, he did
cut
the
it out
spin
with
move.
your bullshit. Cut it out with your little.
1738.